What if the biggest winner of the AI boom isn't NVIDIA? While everyone is chasing the AI chip giant, two companies quietly powering the entire AI revolution could be setting investors up for even bigger gains. Here's why Micron and TSMC may be the AI stocks to watch next. The artificial intelligence revolution has created some of the biggest stock market winners in history, and one company has dominated nearly every conversation: NVIDIA. Its cutting-edge graphics processors have become the backbone of AI development, powering everything from ChatGPT to advanced data centers around the world. But here's the surprising part. Even after reporting quarter after quarter of impressive financial results, NVIDIA stock performance has started to slow compared to the explosive gains investors became accustomed to over the past few years. That's causing many analysts and investors to ask an important question. Could the next phase of the AI boom belong to companies working behind the scenes instead of the headline maker? As incredible as NVIDIA's technology is, the company now faces much higher expectations than ever before. Investors aren't just looking for great earnings. They're expecting extraordinary growth. With NVIDIA now one of the world's largest companies, maintaining the rapid pace that fueled its historic rise becomes increasingly difficult. There are also new challenges on the horizon. Competition from rivals like AMD continues to intensify, while U.S. export restrictions on advanced AI chips destined for China could limit future revenue opportunities. At the same time, any slowdown in spending from major cloud providers like Microsoft, Amazon, Google, or Meta could eventually reduce demand for NVIDIA's premium AI processors. That's why many investors are shifting their attention to another part of the AI ecosystem. Instead of focusing only on the company designing AI chips, they're looking at the businesses supplying the critical technology that every AI company depends on. Two companies stand out above the rest: Micron Technology and Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, better known as TSMC. These businesses may not receive the same headlines as NVIDIA, but they are becoming essential pillars of the global AI infrastructure. Let's start with Micron. AI systems require enormous amount of memory to process complex workloads. That's where Micron comes in. The company has become a leader in high bandwidth memory, or HBM, one of the most important technologies powering today's most advanced AI accelerators. Unlike traditional memory, HBM allows AI processors to move massive amounts of data much faster while consuming less power. As AI models become larger and more sophisticated, demand for this specialized memory continues to surge. That demand is translated directly into Micron's financial results. The company reported fiscal third quarter 2026 revenue of approximately $41.5 billion, representing remarkable growth driven largely by AI-related demand. Management also expects revenue to climb even higher in the following quarter, signaling that customer demand remains extremely strong. Even more impressive is Micron's profitability. Higher pricing for advanced AI memory products has dramatically expanded the company's margins, highlighting the premium customers are willing to pay for cutting-edge memory solutions. Micron has also strengthened its long-term outlook through strategic partnerships, including agreements with leading artificial intelligence companies, while maintaining a healthy balance sheet that provides flexibility for future investments. For investors, these trends suggest that Micron isn't simply benefiting from the AI boom. It's becoming one of its most important suppliers. Now let's look at TSMC. If NVIDIA designs many of the world's most advanced AI chips, TSMC is a company that actually manufactures them. In fact, TSMC produces advanced chips for many of the biggest names in technology, including NVIDIA, AMD, Apple, Qualcomm, and numerous AI startups. Without TSMC, much of today's AI revolution simply wouldn't exist. The company's latest financial results reflect its dominant position in the semiconductor industry. During the second quarter of 2026, TSMC reported revenue growth of 36% compared to the previous year, while profits increased even faster. Strong earnings growth demonstrates not only rise in demand, but also the company's exceptional operational efficiency and pricing power. TSMC's advanced manufacturing technology remains years ahead of many competitors, allowing it to produce the world's most sophisticated chips at scale. That technological advantage has created one of the strongest competitive moats in the semiconductor industry. As AI adoption continues to accelerate across cloud computing, robotics, autonomous vehicles, healthcare, and enterprise software, demand for advanced chips is expected to remain strong for years. And every one of those chips needs memory. Every one of those chips also needs a manufacturer. That's exactly why Micron and TSMC are positioned so well for the future. Rather than betting solely on one AI company, investors may benefit from owning businesses that supply the critical infrastructure supporting the entire AI ecosystem. Of course, every investment carries risks, and no stock is guaranteed to outperform. Market conditions, geopolitical events, changing technology trends, and shifts in AI spending could all affect future performance. Still, one thing remains clear. The AI revolution is much bigger than a single company. While NVIDIA continues to lead the headlines, companies like Micron and TSMC are quietly building the foundation that makes artificial intelligence possible. As AI demand continues to grow worldwide, these infrastructure leaders can become some of the biggest long-term winners of the next generation of technology investing. The companies making the AI revolution possible may ultimately prove just as valuable as the ones receiving all the attention. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. Hence, you never miss the latest updates on AI, semiconductor stocks, and the biggest investment opportunities shaping the future.